what it'd be like.
Reindeer, hi baby. What?
When we put our actions up against the question, why? It astounds me how many things are done because it's what we've always done. We act like we're expected to act, think like we're expected to think, see who we're expected to see. But expected by whom? Some of my greatest breakthroughs in life emerged after being
Reindeer,
asked
hi.
why
What?
by people I look up to or
What,
respect.
baby?
Why
What?
have you accepted that? That's your income?
Hi,
Okay,
baby.
great.
Hi.
Why?
Reindeer, hi.
That's how you spend your
Baby.
day? I see.
You're cute.
How come? And when one is tasked with looking at their own life through a magnifying glass, some hidden truths always emerge. It shines a spotlight in the corner of the room, illuminating those shadows where one can, if they look hard enough,